Hey there! Ever find yourself battling with your Xiaomi Mijia 1C robot vacuum because it just won't charge and dies the moment you take it off the charger? Do you need someone to help you fix this robot vacuum issue? Don't worry, we've got your back. We'll show you how we tackled this pesky problem and got it back up and running. So, customer brought us their Xiaomi Mijia 1C robot vacuum with a charging issue. The customer asked us to fix it and to come up with the best solution. Let's check the robot vacuum. We tried charging the robot vacuum, and look what happened. The robot vacuum would charge up just fine, but as soon as it was unplugged, it died faster than a phone with 1% battery. We took it in for a deep dive. After giving it a thorough checkup, we discovered the culprit, a faulty battery. No big surprise there. We recommended a battery replacement to get this vacuum back on its feet. With the diagnosis in hand, we called up the customer and got the green light to proceed with a battery replacement. After the replacement, we did some unit testing to ensure everything was in tip-top shape. And ta-da! The Xiaomi Mijia 1C robot vacuum was back to its old self. No more sudden death when unplugged. No more dying dramas. Just smooth, efficient cleaning action. We returned robot vacuum to customers, and they're happy with the performance. It now works great. So, what's up with your robot vacuum? Reach out to us today, and we'll get it back to its prime condition.